Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you my slime collection. I know it's kind of a lot. Don't be mad. I kind of have a lot of slime. This may take a while, so if you don't want to watch the whole thing, and no offense, I hate watching long slime videos, so just get off this video if you don't want to watch it. I have another video if you guys want to watch it, but you don't have to. Thing. So I'm trying to put most of my slimes on this. I have some slimes here. Okay. So I have this to put my slimes in case I want to, but I don't know if I will. So I put most of my slimes, so I'm going to start with the little one. This one might be the sticky, messy one. I don't know if it is. Let me see. Ooh, this one is my butter slime fail. So I tried to make butter slime, but it didn't work, but it's still like a good slime. It just didn't work how it's supposed to. It's like when you try to make fluffy slime, but it just turns out to like a regular slime. Still a good slime, but it's just like not what you wanted. But I'm so grateful with it, so I'm so excited. I literally shout out to my one subscriber. I forgot your name. I am so sorry I forgot the name of you. By the way, I'm sorry. But my one subscriber, you can see her, and she is just awesome. Once I saw this one subscriber, I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I was so happy. It was like, Mom, I'm doing a YouTube video. Just pretend that didn't happen. So that one slime is done. And to the bin it goes. Bin. So, Mom, I'm doing a YouTube video. Damn it. So I'm gonna do a part 2 of this in a different location. So remember, I did this slime and one other slime. Bye.